Hello everybody, we the teachers from Carmel Senior Secondary School, Vijayapuram. We are very happy and we are enriched with the session provided by STEMROBO. We have introduced this year and this is the second day of our training session, and I feel the session is very enriching and it was the first hands-on activity for all of us, and we were so curious. We are eagerly waiting to impart this to our children, and because they will be more curious than us. And once again we thank the management and the company to take the initiative to start this learning in our school.
And we also look forward for many more sessions like this.
Thank you, STEMROBO. And the training was
Even
I
would like to thank our principal who had given us a chance to learn something, because I was waiting for last 1 year to join this thing. I was doing in my mobile, but I was not able to do it manually. So thank you, the team and our principal.
Last but not the least, we all on behalf of Carmel Senior Secondary School would like to thank STEMROBO sir and the team from STEMROBO.